Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to DreamView. I will tell you about how to check Alexa rank of your website. First of all, go to Google Chrome. In Google, type Alexa, click on Enter. Come down. Here, alexa.com site info. alexa.com/site info. Go to this website. Otherwise, type Alexa site info. It will come first. Okay, click on this website. Here enter website name www.google.com. Click on find. Global rank 1, US rank 1. Come down. Visitors coming from these countries: US, India, Japan, China, Brazil. Come down. Bounce rate 35. Daily page views 6.98. Time 7. Keywords: Gmail, Google Translator, Google Maps, Google DOC, Google. Come down. YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia, Yahoo, vk.com. Like this. You can check for Facebook here. Facebook.com. Click on find. Global rank 3, US rank 3. Come down. Bounce rate 45. Page views 3.88. Time spending 10. Keywords: Facebook, YouTube, Facebook login, Amazon, Facebook login. So sites, referral sites, this all kind of things. So now we can check for google.co.in. google.co.in. Then click on find. Global rank 10, Indian rank 2. Come down. Visitors, these all statistics and analytics. Now I would like to add for page rank tool to Google Chrome extension. Here type like page rank tool Chrome. Type like that. First one. Go to first one. SEO page rank. Formally page rank. Chrome Web Store. Click on this website. After that, click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Just wait for a few seconds. You will get this notification from here. So here you will get question mark. Then you can check for google.com. So you can open your website here. Then click on this question mark. Just wait. See here, Alexa rank 1. Same as I would like to check for google.co.in. C 10. Then Twitter.com. Then click on save question mark. The Alex rank is 12. Like this friends, we can check Alex rank of our website by using this tool and by using that website, Alexa Site Info website. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you.